Getting ready for Easter. Got the two bunnies out here at the tree. Got the Easter flag out there. Still got some azaleas out here. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes. Look at that. I like that flag out. Poppy's in the backyard barking. Got some plants out here. Yeah, it's me, Mad Cat. How you doing? It's another great day on Optavia. Another great week. I don't know why Poppy's barking. She's upset because I planted a garden in the backyard. Let's go check it out. Stay with me. Alright, you've seen my video from last year where I planted a garden out and came out pretty good. Had some peppers and tomatoes on it. This year got tomatoes. I got some zucchini. Got Poppy here. She just took one of the labels. Okay, we got red bell peppers here. I got cucumbers up here. And got zucchini squash. Ready to go. My bucket garden here for 2023. If you check out my videos from last year, I had a pretty good crop. You know, got a lot of peppers and some zucchini. And I got some tomatoes. And I got a lot of peppers too. So you need to check it out. You want to see the numbers for the week? Alright, stand by. Hey, it's Mad Cat. I want to check it out. Check out the numbers. Alright, I'll stand by. Here we go. Here we go. 253. If you check it out, it says 253.2. And it's lost another 0.8 pounds on week 26. Week 26. That's 86.6. You see that real close? 86.6 pounds in 26 weeks. Awesome. I can't believe it. Another 0.86 pounds. You know, I love this diet, this plan, and again, it's a journey to better health. And springtime now, I'm getting close to my milestone, my weight I want to be at. I want to get down to 250 before my birthday, April 19th. And I'm getting there. I mean, it's a little bit slowly, but I'm getting there. And this week's gonna be great. And I can't wait. See what happens. You know, after I get a milestone, so we don't know yet. But again, my wife's doing great. She's almost at 200 pounds off on this diet. And y'all need to check it out. You can get a hold of her, or check out optavia.com, or send an email to gomadcat@yahoo.com and watch my videos. You know, every week I'm putting a video out saying the weight loss I'm going through and how it's going for me, and I feel great, feel energized. You know, I'm a lean green fighting machine again at 55. And last time I was like this, I was back in my 20s. I just got out of the army, but I feel great. And again, thanks for watching. Another great week. 0.8 pounds. My wife lost 4 pounds this week. Yes, and that's amazing. That's amazing there. And again, thanks for watching. I love you. It's Mad Cat. Springtime. You see, I got a bucket garden started. Got Easter stuff out here. Poppy's excited. And I'll show you one thing. I bought these sunflowers, blue and yellow one, put on the fence. I got them at Big Lots this last week, and they look great. Let's see how I think. Yeah. Mad Cat, I'm out here. Another great week. I'll see you next week. Bye. What you barking about? What are you barking about? Huh? You can't get close to the garden now? Yeah. Yeah. Last year you stole the peppers and tomatoes early on my garden. You do this here? Okay. Okay. I know what you want. Alright. Let's go. You ready? Ready, Poppy? You ready?